have a.
Put your finger where you are reading.
I have a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher.
Loudly.
Her name ISS MS Miss VANI. What that thing?
Vani.
Vani. I G W
Gave
gave her no. What's that?
an. Say an.
An APPLA
Apple.
apple.
APPLE apple.
IT it WAS was
A
G no.
green
Green apple.
Very good, very good. Now read here. Madam has asked questions also. What is my teacher's name? What is your teacher's name? Which one is your teacher's name? Look here, 3 option is given.
I don't know.
3 option is given. What is your teacher name?
I don't know.
Here you told na her name is Miss Vani.
Miss Wani.
Where it is written Miss Vani?
Miss Wani. There's no Miss here.
Yeah, so roundy this option.
Got my
Here.
pen.
Here, round this. So they are asking what is my teacher's name? My teacher name is Miss Vani. Okay. What did I give her?
Apple.
What is where it is written? Very good. Round it.
Too easy.
An apple. Okay. What color was it? What is the color of the apple? What was
It
the
was
color?
green.
Right here. It was it.
I
It was WAS was. It was. Here it is. It was
I know that.
WAS.
That because I read that already.
Okay. Sorry. It was.
W
Touch the line.
A
Touch the line.
S
Huh.
1.
Now write like this. Write like this. Write like this. I told you when you make W, look here. When you make W should be full. Then you start writing A. Not with the W और उसका डंडे के साथ A. चलो. You don't have eraser ना? चलो. Now I'm.
There. There's it.